You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, I have a very important topic for you guys, and that's on the new and upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup. Even saying those words to me just makes me so excited. It makes me so excited because we're reaching that critical point of next year for the new device to come out, and to see what Samsung has to offer us as a customer and reviewers. So I'm so excited. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some leaks, some specs, some pricing, release dates as well, and of course some rumors as well, and of course some pricing as well. So without further ado, let's get straight right into it. And before we get straight right into it, please hit that subscribe button. Also smash the video with a like, and also turn your post notifications on so you don't miss out on any video I upload on this channel. And comment down below, tell me if you enjoyed the video, and tell me if you enjoy and like my channel and the videos I do on my channel. And please go show my Instagram and my social media some love. Drop me down a follow, and all the links will be down in the description section below. Anyway, let's get straight right into it. So it literally feels like yesterday that Samsung actually released their Galaxy S21 lineup, and it's just mind-blowing because those phones that they brought out this year was just absolutely insane, powerful, and then look at the S21 Ultra. Wow, it was the phone that the world was going crazy for. The 108 megapixel camera, boy, I don't even want to talk about that. That's in the past. We're looking at the present, the S22 lineup. Let's get it. So, and the company obviously launches a device every single year without fail, which is absolutely awesome. So, like I said, we should be expecting a new phone next year, unless they decide not to give us a new phone. I don't know, but I mean, from their track record, we should be 100% getting a new phone from Samsung next year. Very early next year, which is literally just round the goddamn corner. Anyway, so hopefully we can try and wheel it back and give ourselves a little bit more credit instead of Apple, because right now Apple is just smashing it with the iPhone 13, the camera, everything is they're just smashing it right there. So hopefully we pull it back. Please, Samsung, do us proud. Please do us proud next year so we can just blow iPhone out of the waters and be back on top. Anyway, so for the expected release date is going to be looking like it's going to be released early January 2022, just like the S21 series, which was released on the 14th of January. So some rumors actually say that the S22 lineup will be coming out or released on Friday the 28th, 2022, which is, like I said, just literally around the corner. I'm so freaking excited. I need to stop blabbing on and just get on with the video. There's no leak yet as in what the price is going to be of the S22 Ultra, but the S21 series was cheaper than the S20 series as well. So I'm guessing the S22 Ultra might be either cheaper than the S21 lineup, or a little bit more expensive, or sitting at around pretty much a little bit of the same price, but I'm not too sure because, like I said, there's no leaks or rumors on the prices as of yet. So the Samsung Galaxy S21, the standard S21 was around 769 pounds or $799, and the S21 Plus was sitting at around 949 pounds or $999, and of course the big boy, the S21 Ultra, was sitting at 1,149 pounds or $1,199. So it just really depends how Samsung is feeling. If they want to increase the price or leave it the same, or reduce the price, we don't know yet. But Samsung will let us know when they have that update. And when we have that update, I'll be sure to let you guys know what prices they're going to be working with on the new Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup. As for display, so there's going to be a tiny bit of bad news on the screen size / display sizes on these new devices. Some rumors actually suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup is actually going to shrink. I don't know how to feel about that, but if Samsung could pull it off, then fair enough. But I mean, these shrinking isn't going to be massively like a big noticeable shrink from Samsung. But the S22, the standard S22 device is going to be a 6.06 inch screen instead of the 6.2 inch screen on the S21, well, the standard S21. And then for the S22 Plus, it's also going to have a shrink of 6.5 inches display from obviously the 6.7 inch display on the S21 Plus. And for the S22 Ultra, it's going to go from 6.9 inch from the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and they're going to shrink it down to a 6.81 inch display. Why Samsung is doing this, I am really not sure, but I guess they know what they're going to be doing. But of course, the best tech and glass will be reserved for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's even rumored that it's going to have the brightest screen, or the brightest OLED screen ever featured on a Samsung phone, which is just going to be absolutely awesome. It's going to be what is. I mean, Samsung really do bits with their screens, but for them to say it's going to be the best, then we should be expecting something very, very high, on a high scale of caliber, which is just going to be awesome. And all three phones, of course, are in the S21 lineup, currently support 120 hertz, which is great for gaming and great for sports. But we should be expecting that from the S22 lineup. But it follows on that, well, hopefully it follows on the trends. But saying that, some rumors actually do say that the S22 and the S22 Plus should see a refresh rate bounce from 1 hertz all the way up to 120 hertz, just depending what you're doing on the device. And literally just like the iPhone 13 lineup, which what they have right now. So you can be on 1 hertz all the way up to 120 hertz. It just depends whatever you're doing on the phone. For example, if you're playing video games or if you're watching a sport event or something like that, obviously there's going to be things moving quickly, fast paced, so the phone will automatically bump itself up to 120 hertz, so you can be able to catch all that movement and all that stuff and all that frames from whatever you're doing on the device. So as for the design on these new devices, there's no real renders or any mock-ups of these devices, but from some of the leaks that I've heard, the S22 will feature a major camera bump, and with no fewer than 5 cameras on the back of the device on the main camera. It's also going to have an inactive cooling system, and also we should expect a much thinner bezels and a more flatter screen, rather than the curved screen that Samsung has been using on their previous devices. And there could also be under display camera as well, just like we found in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, but that we're not sure about yet. And for the coolant system, this should keep the temperature down on the device during such things as like heavy consumption on the processor, like if you're doing like a 3D gaming or 4K and movie playback. This cooling system on the device should be able to tone down the temperatures of these devices, so they're not as hot as the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra gets when you're doing things like I said, the 3D gaming or even 4K movie playback. So as for the camera, it's looking like it's going to stay the same as the previous Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup. It should stay the same, but you should have a little bit of update towards the camera, like a software update or something like this. We're not sure yet, but some leaks do say that the S22 Ultra could come with a whopping 200 megapixel lens. So we're not too sure about that, but apparently Samsung are working on that, and they're also working on the ability to be able to shoot 8K 60 frames per second as well with the camera. So if they're working on that, then could be possibly have that 200 megapixel camera to obviously accommodate that 8K 60 frames, but we're not too sure at the moment. But we have to see when the device comes out, or if Samsung or any leakers actually give us any more information on that side of things. And then of course for the specs, the Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup is going to be rocking the most powerful chipset from Qualcomm. So it's going to be rocking the Qualcomm Snapdragon 895 chip, which is possibly going to be manufactured by Samsung itself, which is going to be awesome. The S22 lineup is also going to be tripped with is going to be tripped for a graphics processor based on AMD. The basic of this graphics chip on the Xbox Series X and the PlayStation 5, but by no means this actually means that there's going to be the S22 Ultra and the S22 lineup is going to be a powerful gaming phone around in town, because it's not. It's just they're just borrowing some of the technology from the graphics side from AMD just to put inside the phone, so that, you know, just it gives it a little bit more of a high boost on the graphics, such as when you're playing video games or making 3D models or anything like that, which is going to be pretty damn cool. And then for the battery life on these devices are either going to stay the same or actually reduce compared to the S21 lineup. So the standard S22 is gonna be coming with a 3,800 milliamp hour battery. That's gonna come down from 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which you'll find on the S21. And then the S22 Plus is gonna have a 4,600 milliamp battery, which is gonna be coming down from 4,800 milliamp hour battery, which you would find on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. And for the S22 Ultra is literally going to stay the same as 5,000 milliamp hour battery in the device, because there's going to be a lot of things packed into this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we need the bigger battery to be able to power everything. Anyway guys, that's been my side of things about the S22 lineup and what to expect, leaks, specs, renders and all that stuff. And yeah, if there is any more update, I will be sure to update you guys. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.